Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to China Day 11. It's a travel day today. We're going to travel from Chengdu, where the pandas are, that huge, massive city of 12 million, to another huge, massive city of about the same size, and that would be Chongqing. Now, Chongqing is a huge, huge city located on a river, and not just any river, the Yangtze River. But before that, we had to go to the high-speed train station. Just unbelievable how big, huge, and massive these train stations are. And we took a high-speed train all the way to Chongqing, and we stopped at Starbucks and had some great coffee. And then we got on business class on the train. You could lay down and sleep. It was wonderful. I even got to play guitar. It was fantastic. What a great trip. And wow, China is massive. We finally got into Chongqing and it was raining like crazy right on the river. It was a very wet place. We met our guide, Wendy, and she took us to a place called the Old City. It's where the city was built on the side of the riverbed and very vertical because there isn't a lot of land there. So the buildings are super high, the average building about 40 stories high. And I figured out how to get rid of all the crowds of people. Just let it rain. There was no one there. And yesterday there were so many people you couldn't even move. So what a difference. Huge, huge city. Great infrastructure as always. Got lots of great funny statues. This one was really, really humorous. And there were tons of restaurants with pictures everywhere, so it was really easy to order. So we got some beautiful vegetables and fish, and we ate that, hot, spicy. Then we went down to the river and got on our boat. Now, in order to get on our boat, though, we had to cross this massive dock that went for hundreds of yards out into the middle of the Yangtze River, and it was pouring rain. It was quite the adventure. We'll never forget it. We got on the boat, got our briefing, got into our room. We had a great room, and we started down the river. And boy, everything looks wonderful at night when the lights come on. And man, the buildings are just insane in China. And we spent the evening traveling up the Yangtze River. And tomorrow will be day 12, so stay tuned. We're going to have a great time, see and learn a lot in China.